What's up guys, welcome back to another video, or if you're new, hi, I'm Adam in Style. This video is so special, I'm so excited, I cannot wait to show you everything. So, 2 months ago, wait, no. 9 months ago, I got LED lights for my room, and I still have them, I still use them, they are in perfect condition, still love them. Amazing, and you guys really loved that video, so it just so happens that I'm making another one. First of all, if you haven't watched the other video, wait until the end or click in the link of the description to go watch it. But anyway, this brand reached out to me a few weeks ago and they asked me if I wanted to review their product, and I said yes because I love lights and I'm so excited. So they sent me their product and I'm gonna review it today. I'm stoked because it just so happens that I have an empty wall and it's so boring, and I'm like, okay, I can make it better with lights. I'm not even making any more sense. I can make that wall look better with these lights. So let's go unbox this thing. And don't click out yet because there's a surprise for you guys at the end of this video. Okay, let's check this out. So it tells you all the items that it comes with, and we already checked that by the unboxing. Then it gives you steps on what to do. So they list out detailed steps that help you set up the lights. So now let's just prep everything. You have to connect the thingy, I don't know what it's called, to this part. Okay guys, that was really exciting. I have to admit, when I saw the letter and this sticker logo thing, I don't know what it is, I'll check it out. This just made my day. Okay, so we're opening up the letter. Oh, this is really nice. This is a nice card. Wow. Okay. They sent me a custom-made gift, and let's see what it is. Oh my god, this is dope.
Guys, look!
This is sick! Oh my god. Thank you so much, Lumoonosity, guys. This is exciting. I really appreciate this. And I really appreciate the opportunity to collab with you guys. Okay, so let's check out these lights in detail now. I have to say, the packaging, this is just dope. I love this. The colors, everything just attracts the attention. And what's interesting about these lights is that they're waterproof. I mean, if you're just walking around in your room and you spill something on your lights. So it comes with 2 LED strip lights, which means each one is 16.4 feet, and that is amazing. We got another remote. Imagine having 2 remotes. We got some nails, a lithium battery, and then this is all the connecting stuff. They give you a nice card thanking you for the purchase of this product. I am really excited to set it up. I think I have an idea on where I want to put them. I just have to make sure that's what I want exactly. Let's go set them up. So, oh wait, it's oh god, it's not focusing. Oh my god, the lights almost broke.
Oh, no.
It's okay. No, wait, Dina, you're an engineer, fix this. Okay guys, I just tested them. Here's the thing with these lights though, since I have another remote, the remote controls both of them. So right now, I attempted to turn it on and my other light's turned on. I'm gonna press the on button again and look, off, on, off. It's cool because you could control with 2 remotes. Where's the other one? So wait, let's show you. This is one of them. I'll show you the other one later. They both turn on and off at the same time now. I'm gonna teach y'all a life hack here for this part. I usually prefer this to stick on the wall, but it's not just gonna stick on its own. So what I recommend getting, where are they? Where did I put them? I recommend getting these double-sided tape sticker stuff, whatever they're called, and you put them on the back and then you just attach it. So these are the old strip lights. Now we're gonna be adding the new ones. We're just gonna continue going on. Guys, the way this feels is just so satisfying. It's so smooth. I say start with the base Here's the base. I'm gonna plug in the lights. This is an important step. Plug it in really well. You're gonna wanna stick this to the wall. That's if you want. If you wanna put it somewhere else, it's fine. But put it like this, it looks neater. Alright guys, so everything has been set up. Amazing. As I told you, just make sure to put the double-sided tape on the back and it just sticks fine. This white part comes with automatic tape. What does that even mean? It comes with a peel-off tape that you can just peel off and then stick. I'm kind of debating. I don't know where I want to put it. Should I put it like here? Should we just start? Why not? You know what? Let's just go for it. Let's see. Yo, this is dope. Wow, I love this. Nice. Okay, so that's the first strand. Let's do the second one. Alright guys, one goes all the way here, 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 and then the other one goes all the way here, then it goes down, then it makes another left, then it goes up, and then it goes again there. So it's like a rectangle. Let's turn them on. That is sick! Wow, amazing. Well, the lights are up. They're amazing. I love them. I am so excited to have this new addition in my room. Alright, and now I have a special surprise for you guys, my viewers. If you do end up deciding to get them, then be sure to use promo code AdamInStyle for 10 to 15% off your purchase. So, if you do end up getting it, let me know. Honestly, with full honesty, I really love those. I definitely recommend you should get them. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And if there's any other products you want me to review, then be sure to comment down below and I'll check it out. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye!